Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is the art of growing plants and vegetables on a small piece of land. Gardening is mostly done either in the backyard of a front space of the house. Some people plant flowers, decorate their garden. Gardening give us fresh and healthy vegetables. Gardening help to produce happy hormones in the human body. Gardening is a good way to keep oneself engaged with nature. It also help in maintaining good physical fitness. And the gardening help in maintaining good physical fitness. Gardening is a good way to keep oneself engaged with nature. Gardening is also good for mental health and peace. Many people prefer gardening as their hobby. Organic gardening, nature and gardening, kitchen gardening, etc. are some type of gardening. A garden is a bounded piece of land which is situated either is the front or back side of our home. The art of planting trees, flowers, grass, shrubs, and vegetables by using fertilizers. Small agriculture tools in a limited space of our home is called gardening. Gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as therapy that help us our body in increasing the happy hormone level. Gardening help us to grow vegetables that are sufficient for our need. Vegetables grown in our garden are more healthy, tasty, nutrients, and chemical free. We can easily grow vegetable according to our choice. Along with growing vegetable, we can also plant flower of different varieties. Flower of varieties and flower of lively colors soothe our eyes and bring positive vibes in our home. And gardening help us to decorate and beauty of our home. And in this aesthetic lifestyle, gardening is the best activity that keeps us fit and healthy. Doing gardening regularly our gland for metabolisms. It also provides serum vitamin D to our bodies. Vitamin D is a good natural sources. Welcome to thanks for watching.